Hello, welcome to Render'a. I am Yusuf Atilla. Today I will explain you that in which formats that we can export this 3D file and import it to the other programs that we are going to use. For downloading this 3D, I will go back to the project settings. As you can see in this output section, we have object folders, div file, skp file, dvg, dxf, TIFF file and PVSol project file. If you are going to work on it in PVSol, you can directly request this file and automatically it will be generated, which you will have in maximum 1 hour. But you can directly download the object file folder from here and then open the PVSol. According to your normal workflow, you will continue these steps, and in 3D design, when you click edit, it will ask you that do you want a map section or do you want to import the 3D model. When you click it and click load, I already extracted the zip file. My object file is in here. I will click open. It may take a while, 1 or 2 minutes according to the size of the 3D model, but in shortly it will be imported. If your drone has the GPS data, your scale is 1:1. But of course you can choose any manual inputs considering the maximum height. I will continue with use as a tree models option in here and go with the start. Yes, as you can see our 3D is here and ready to work. In SketchUp, we are able to import the GLB files. In your object folder, you will also receive a GLB file which can be imported from File, Import, and you will select it. When you click import, it will take a few seconds and your 3D file will be ready in SketchUp environment. You can draw anything, add panels and extract them into PVSyst or any other software that you require. In file section, we have an export option. We'll use 3D models, and in here you can generate your AutoCAD file that you require, or if you are going to use it in PVSyst, you can ask it as a Collada file. So in PVSyst, all you need to do is click File, select Import, import the 3D scene option. As you can see, it accepts the format, and click Required File. This process also will take some while, but after that you will be easily work on. I have exported the DVG file and open it with AutoCAD. As you can see, our church is already here and the other buildings are available in here. Due to the different detail requirements, polygon density are changing. So if an area requires much more detail and has much more pictures in it, it will construct much more detailed polygon construction. Due to we have a lot of polygons, you will require a powerful computer. And yes, I have covered all the manual operations that you require to import your object file into the software that you are using. But remind that always requesting a file and wait for 1 hour is much more easier for your site. So you're free to request any file types or directly convert them from your object file. Thank you for listening.